Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix iOS 18 beta update not showing on iPhone or iPad. So guys, if you're using any iOS device and when you try to update your iPhone or iPad to latest iOS version 18 beta and facing the issue that iOS 18 beta not showing up, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to open your settings here, and guys you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your iPhone or iPad. And after this you need to scroll it down, click on general. From here you have to disconnect your VPN if connected, and after this you need to go back. So guys, now you need to select your region according to your country from here, and guys after this you have to go back, set your date and time on automatically, and guys after this you need to click on software update, and guys you need to check that your problem has been fixed or not. If still not fixed your problem, then guys you need to turn on your beta updates. If you have turn off your beta updates, then guys you can't see iOS 18 beta. Simply you have to turn it on, and guys after this you will be able to update your iPhone to latest iOS version 18 beta. And guys after this, if still not fix your problem and still not showing a new update, you have to click on screen time and scroll it down, click on content and privacy restrictions, and you have to turn it off. And guys after this you need to go back. So guys, the last method is you have to open Safari, and guys here you need to search beta profiles.dev. Here is the website. Simply you have to open this website and you need to scroll it down, and guys after this you need to click on developer, and guys you will see iOS 18 beta here, and guys simply you have to click on install profile on iOS 18 beta and click it install. And guys after this you need to wait for some seconds and click on allow, and guys after this iOS 18 will be available on your settings. You have to open your settings again and click on general again and click on software update, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.